So about 2 weeks ago, I traded the S&P 500 and made around £7,500. So in today's video, I will show you my simple trend following system. Hopefully you can learn and profit from trading the stock market. Stay tuned. So the first thing why I was aggressive going long on S&P 500 is because based on a seasonal AI data from my good friend marketmakeclear.com, all right? It has a seasonal data that show me pre-election and 20 years data for S&P 500. You can see in June time, we usually go quite bullish at the beginning until the middle of the month and it dips. So that's why with this powerful data, I will work with price action to go long on S&P 500. Now, this is TradingView Pro account. So with the Pro account, you can see on the top, we have a Pro account. You can replay the previous day for back testing. So now I can show you how exactly I have done it. So first and foremost, first thing you need to do is look for a trend. You can see as soon as price broke off around the 4,200, well, we have an uptrend, all right? So when price finding support around the 4,200, I was looking for a buying opportunity. But I never trade daily bar because daily bar is too big. So the risk to reward doesn't make sense to me. How do I do it? I drop down to hourly. So when price was making a double bottom, so in here you can see price in here, and this circle here is what we call a higher low on 1 hour. All I do is this, a breakout trade through here and then a stop loss right here. That's how I enter my trade. So through here you can see price has broken my entry on Thursday. I believe was the 1st of June. Yes, 1st of June, Thursday, broke off. All I do is now, once you have get into a trade and break off nicely, you can put your stop loss in here so you're not losing anything. That's the beauty of getting in a smaller time frame rather than a daily bar. If you're daily bar, you have to put your entry above here, so it's very late for you to do anything. For me, I always use a smaller time frame to find an elegant entry. So on Friday, it's time when it hit around the 4,280. That's where I close off all my profit. So literally about a day and a bit, I make £7,500, so not too bad. If you guys like to learn more about trading investing, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Many thanks. See you guys next week.